filling up buckets one by one to restore a piece of history.
We think there's several reefs there in the Costine, so we're getting down close to exposing at least one of them. So starting to see the geological signs of the gold reef.
Edward Dawson struck it rich in 1899, finding gold in Witchcliffe.
He ended up finding the Yelling Up Caves and was a cave guide there directly after he found the gold here.
Since his discovery more than 100 years ago, prospectors have tried their luck at the site.
Too much of it gets wrecked, vandalised. This used to be a lot higher reef. It's been weathered right down.
Work is underway to restore the Costine back to its original condition.
People wanted to come here and see the actual gold diggings, but no one was here to show them. Now we're going to preserve the site.
The Margaret River and Districts Historical Society hopes to turn this spot into a location for tourists to come and learn about the region's gold history.
It's very important that we save these historic diggings throughout the state, especially for Margaret River being a major tourism centre.
Asha Gibbon, 7 News.